Hi guys and welcome to a new video. My name is Frank Kerrigan and I'm music video director from Los Angeles, California. And in this video I'm gonna tell you about 8 ways how you can get video production clients when you're just a beginner. Let's go! Way number 1. Direct outreach. When you're just starting, I would recommend you to send every day around 10-20 messages to people who could be your potential clients. If you provide a great quality for a good price and they need this kind of content, they would be interested in working with you. Try not to sell them straight ahead. Show them that it's not just a spam. You know what they're doing and you did a little research before this. Obviously, a lot of people gonna ignore you, but you don't spend too much time sending these messages. And if you're getting 2 clients per month with this method, it's still worth it. Way number 2. Providing free sample. When I just started, I used to visit a lot of local shows. I was getting a little bit of footage with every band or artist who were performing that night and edit it into small video like IG story around 15-20 seconds. It didn't require a lot of my time, but every time when I sent musicians these little videos, they were amazed and they were interested in doing the whole video with me in future. This way I started to work with a lot of rock bands. I definitely don't want to recommend you to provide any big amount of work for free, so it should be like a free sample so people can understand what level of quality they can get if they're gonna do paid project with you in the future. Way number 3. Networking. It's really useful to visit different parties, events where you can meet new people from the industry who could be potentially interested in your services. You don't need to sell them right away, but you can exchange your contact info Instagram, Facebook, and every time when you will publish some content, they will see that you make high quality video content. And in the future, when they will want to make video, you're gonna be the first person to whom they're gonna reach out. Way number 4. Referral fees. Make sure that everyone who you know and who could potentially recommend you to any other clients will get a referral fee for this. This way people will be interested to recommend you to more and more people because it's gonna be very beneficial for them. Way number 5. Credits and mentions. Put your credits in all of your videos and make sure that every time when your clients publishing your videos, they tag and mention you. So more and more people gonna find out about your brand. Way number 6. Freelance websites. In every city and every country there are different kind of websites where people are looking for videographers. In Los Angeles, it's Craigslist, Upwork, Fiverr, but I'm sure that there are more of them. You need to do research in your local area, make an account there, and allow your potential clients to find you. Way number 7. Hashtags. Most of the time people doing this in Instagram, but it also works for Facebook, that people trying to find videographers through different hashtags. For example, Las Vegas videographer, videographer New York, and many other options. By posting content with the right hashtags, you allow them to find you. And way number 8. Paid ads. There are a lot of different types of ads that I've tested: Facebook, IG, Google, LinkedIn, and I got the most result from IG and Facebook ads. You need some time to learn how to launch them in the right way and spend money on it. But if you're doing everything right, you'll be able to get a lot of clients this way. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you have any other questions, write them in the comments below. Also, you can check my free videography training. I'm gonna leave the link below this video and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.